I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Unit 62 Ngohiong House. Unit 62, formerly known as the Angelas, is one of the original and the best tasting authentic Chinese Ngohiong House here in Cebu. It was located at the back of USJR way back in 1980s. And to complete a street food experience, they are not only offering Ngohiong right now, they are offering a lot of street food favorites. You can have this Ngohiong for 12 pesos, this fried siomai for 10 pesos, this fried lumpia for 22 pesos, pop for 20 pesos, and this tempura, squid roll, and squid ball for 20 pesos per stick. For that, mga ano kita guys, ang giuna gyud ako ang Ngohiong and lamig gid kaayo ang Ngohiong plus the sauce, and yes, brings back the memory gud nga tuon na mo the pizza my USJR. What I really like also is generous kasi sila muhatag sa sauce, so di ba pwede ka magtuslub-tuslub sa tanang street food nato. Unit 62 is also serving street foods because naa sila sa street food sa Ayala Center, Cebu. And to be safe and for less hassle, you can order them through the Let's Eat by Mobile app. So yes, with Let's Eat by app or LEB Mobile, you can have your favorite street foods right at your home. And fried siomai time, binasa ko kaya nasa gusto chili sauce for the fried siomai. And now let's eat the chicken pop, and ganahan ko because I really love chicken nuggets than kanisang burger street food. But then again guys, always remember to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating. And lastly, to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye bye.